hold up, I am on my way.
So guys, we're going to start today with this ZOEVA palette. It's really gorgeous. Look at all these colors. Hope you can see them. It's the rose gold palette. Okay, and yeah, let's start. I'm going to do a very fast look because we're going now to Harrods, and yeah, I just wanted to go with Lander to have some time with him. He's right here, so I'm looking at him, and yeah, so today, oh, I don't want to forget, primer. Finally, yesterday I did something like super cool. I'm going to use Huda Beauty primer. I wanted to put a little bit of Huda concealer just over here, and the thing is that it's so, like, such a little amount. It's just enough to cover like everything. It's like, so sorry my voice. So I literally was, yeah baby, so I literally was like this, and then you'll see it now.
Wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go.
So yeah, I just use Huda concealer as foundation. It's obviously lighter than my face, but you'll see now, like, look at my face. Like it looked yesterday so perfect, like you can't imagine. I was so happy that and it looked oh my god, my voice today. It looked so good. Like I felt like my skin looked a lot better. Obviously my acne got a lot better, as you could see, but yeah, like maybe for some of you this is like, oh my goodness, like how are you doing this? But yeah, like for once, like whatever, I did it yesterday. I was so happy that I, like, you know. And so now I'm not even going to do my brows. I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh, it's not focusing. Oh, maybe if I do this. No, whatever. Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel and granite.
All the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year
and now you'll see now. So with this, we're going to do everything. Yeah. So first, I'm going to go with Rusty Petal. It's this one. I know my nail yesterday broke, and it hurts. So, and I'm going to use just the tip. It was like, I started just doing my makeup, and I was like, oh my god, I can't believe like I'm doing my whole makeup with this, and like I have to do a video, but I have to film with doing something like this. I think it's so easy, like for people that don't like really control the other brushes, like whatever, you're just doing this part. Ooh. Okay, so the yellow a lot. I don't like this palette doesn't have a mirror because I can't see what I'm doing. I'm going to go with Wonder awful over what I did.
Gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 dance. We're gonna dance, dance.
Okay, so now we're going to go again with Dusty Petals, and now with my finger, Dusty Petals, and over here.
In the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
And now we're going to go with, oh, I don't know, with Copper. Copper is king. Yeah, Copper. Oh my.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean.
And then reflective elegance. Another finger.
Hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
And then just rose here.
We'll be chilling and having a good.
You can see this one has yellow in it, but it has pink also, like an pink undertone, and they're, you know, all pinks. There's just a rose, reflective, elegant, and copper is king. So you're like, they do match pretty good. And then with a little bit of rusty petals.
Miss this in Christmas times.
And then with foil, I'm going to, I don't have enough fingers.
Oh no! I'm painted in blue. Ooh.
And just to end a little, we're going to go again with rusty petals and top just in the corner.
All the windows in the rain is.
And we're going to use foil now for highlights because I really like it. And now the fastest contour ever, bronzer.
Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time, dance, dance.
Believe me, you don't need more. Like, you'll see now, it's like super easy. So I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Pool Party Trio, and blush.
But this year
Now I'm going to use foil too.
doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the January. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Here we go. All right.
Dance, dance,
Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
we're gonna
Okay.
dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the January. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go out